Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled The Future of AI, Emerging Trends and Technologies. Imagine teaching a computer to learn like a human. Instead of writing explicit instructions, we give it lots of data, like examples of cats and dogs, and it figures out the patterns itself. That's AI in a nutshell. As developers, we build the systems that enable this learning. Machine learning, ML, is a key part of AI. Think of it as a super-powered pattern recognition engine. We feed it data, it finds patterns, and then it can predict things, like whether an email is spam or classify images. Developers use ML libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch to build these systems. Deep learning is like advanced ML. Imagine a really complex network of interconnected nodes that analyze data in layers. The more layers, the more complex the patterns it can find. This is how AI can identify faces, understand speech, and translate languages. Developers work with these neural networks. Generative AI is like having a computer that can be creative. Instead of just classifying images, it can generate new ones, write stories, or compose music. Think of it as an advanced autocomplete that can create entire works of art or code. Developers are using models like GANs and diffusion models to achieve this. LLMs are like super smart chatbots trained on massive amounts of text data. They can understand context, generate human-like text, and answer questions. Think of ChatGPT or Bard. Developers are creating applications and integrating these models into their software. Building AI responsibly is crucial. We need to think about bias in data, privacy concerns, and the potential societal impact of our creations. Developers have a vital role to play in ensuring AI is used ethically. AI is evolving rapidly. We'll see more personalized experiences, more powerful automation, and AI playing an increasingly important role in many aspects of our lives. The opportunities for developers in this field are endless. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.